Right now, somewhere beneath the freezing Arctic Ocean, a shark is swimming. Nothing unusual, right? Except, this shark was probably alive when Shakespeare was writing his plays. Maybe even when Columbus was crossing the Atlantic. This animal has been quietly drifting through the deep ocean for 400 to 500 years. And here's the wildest part. We had no idea this was happening until just a few decades ago. So how does a shark live for 5 centuries? Why does it age so slowly? And what can it teach us about the limits of life itself? Let's dive in. Meet the Greenland shark, Somiosis microcephalus. These sharks grow up to 7 meters long and can weigh over 1,000 kilograms. They move like they have absolutely nowhere to be. They swim at about 1.2 kilometers per hour. That's slower than you walk to the kitchen for a snack. They live in some of the coldest waters on Earth, temperatures around 0 to 2 degrees Celsius. Heart rate, metabolism, cell division, growth, everything slows down. That's not just slow growth. That's almost rock territory. Slow isn't a flaw. For Greenland sharks, slow is the entire strategy. And at those temperatures, everything slows down. Their entire biology runs on the lowest setting imaginable. For a long time, nobody knew how old these sharks actually were. Most animals have biological clocks built in. Trees have rings. Fish have growth layers on their ear bones. But Greenland sharks? No hard structures. No rings. Nothing. Scientists were basically stumped. Until 2016, when a team of Danish researchers had a very clever idea. They looked at the lenses of the shark's eyes. Those proteins are essentially a time capsule from birth. By measuring carbon-14 trapped inside those ancient proteins, scientists could calculate exactly how old the shark was. Going back further and further in time. One female shark was estimated to be 392 years old, give or take 120 years. She might have been alive in 1504. So why do they live so long? Is there a biological cheat code? It comes down to metabolic rate, basically, how fast your body runs its internal engine. Most animals burn fast, live fast. Mice? 2 years. But Greenland sharks run on the lowest setting. It's like burning a candle on full flame versus barely burning it at all. Cold water acts like a massive natural preservative, slowing oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of aging. These sharks don't even reach sexual maturity until around 150 years old. 150 years old means just getting started. The Greenland shark doesn't have some magic potion. It just runs slower than almost anything else alive. While empires built and collapsed, one shark was just quietly drifting, unbothered, unchanged. While humans invented electricity, flight, the internet, the shark just kept swimming. If we understand why Greenland sharks age so slowly, could we apply those principles to human aging? Researchers are already looking into it. We're nowhere close, but we're looking. The shark has been patient for 500 years. It can wait a little longer. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.